How to make a Valorant account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Mistat, and today I'll guide you on how you can make a Valorant account. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to head into riotgames.com. Once you're here on riotgames.com, you want to simply head into the Valorant section. So if you scroll down below games, you can see Valorant, you can tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll show you the option that says play for free. You can simply tap on play for free. Now if you already have a Riot account, you can sign in or you can create one using these options. Once you're signed in, it'll give you the link to download. You can download it, and once you have downloaded it, installed it, and you open up the game there, the client, then you'll be able to easily sign up for your account. So this is a way that you can easily make a Valorant account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.